Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises. The video of today will present the project Fudbabies Token.com. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. So welcome now to the second part of our video. Welcome to the Fudbabies official token website, and the number one of priority is to put the babies first, an ecosystem that is driven by community, and this project wants from you to be a part of this. So connect with them to build together something good. So this is the code of this project, and let's go now to about this project. So Fudbabies, it's a utility-based project with a token and also NFTs on Ethereum blockchain that plans to help Web3 become a safer place to root our dApp called Lure. Lure will open the doors for more opportunities for employment in Web3. If you are looking for employment in Web3, look no further to be part of this project. Job posting and project founders need to be available on the dApp. Lure will allow to founders to pay them members automatically and let employees receive funds directly to wallet on pay days. Lure will also provide audits and KYC for projects in need, and Fudbabies NFTs will be used for a lifetime access pass to all created utilities. So how about making Web3 safer with Fudbabies project? Web3 can sometimes be a place that people fear to get involved due to the most trouble and scams from founders not making good either work. We plan to do everything in our power to make the place 1,000 times safer and help the people ensure about Web3 more confident, secure, optimistic, and more. Job posting and project founders needs will be available in the dApp. Lure will allow founders to pay them members automatically and let employees receive funds directly to wallets and payday. So Lure will also provide audits, KYC for projects in need, and Fudbabies NFTs will be used for a lifetime access pass to all created utilities. So what is the goals of this project? Goals and objectives: making it easy to find employment in Web3, helping employees receive their payment for work on time, providing auditions and KYC projects in Web3 for investor security, helping struggling families across the world and pushing their youth to be successful, charitable work with non-profitable organization, more utilities and games built with Web3 fault shield. So what is now the utility of this project? Looking for work with Web3, look no further to work with baby tokens. If you are looking for employment, Web3 full-time or part-time, you will be able to find plenty of different opportunities on Lure. Lure will make literally now that our moderators, community managers, Discord managers, collab managers, etc. we never have to work for free again. So why you must trust Lure, and why use Lure? First, easy use, secure, no extras, active support. Let's begin with the active support. If you have a question about Lure, they will always have an active team working ready to help. Easy use. Lure will be a user-friendly platform, so you won't need much experience to utilize it. Once you have the NFTs in your wallet, you can connect to Lure by the click of a button. This project is secure. Top-notch security will be used on this platform, so you won't to have any worries about connecting a wallet. They are building with some of the best development teams in the space. No extras, so you will have a limited access to Lure by owning Fudbabies NFTs. There will be no extra cost for utilizing our platforms. Employees can share and apply for any or many jobs as they like with the limited NFTs access. First part of Lure: founder and employees. So founders connect their wallets by proving they have Fudbabies NFTs, then sign up with their projects in the founders category. Founders then can post the job and what they need exactly to their project from employee. Founder can accept requests for hire from employees on Lure or directly search and find them on the dApp. Founders can apply their projects and use Lure for everything we offer, but must own Fudbabies NFTs for a limited pass and access. Our baby token will get founders projects and job needs on featured page for job. Example, 1 million token equal job featured on main page. Founder's job description example on Lure. What is the position? Job price? How long? Requires interview or no? Must docs? Discord call? Zoom meeting? Etc. etc. Employees can connect their wallet and apply for a position after sign up by clicking a button they own on Fudbabies NFT. During sign up, employees can upload their Web2 resume on their account. Having a good resume will always increase employees' chance to getting the best paying jobs. Having our baby token will help employees in a major way on Lure. The employees that have more stars are likely to get the position being offered. Basically, in our system, more stars equal reliable employees, which is what founders will be looking for. Token will get employees 5 stars equal highest rating. Example, 1 million token for 5 stars job rating. Employee must own Fudbabies NFTs for limited pass and access. Employees profile page. First, employees will create an account by creating their wallet, proving they have an NFTs. Their Lure will let mode, community management, collab manager, anyone searching for work, upload their resume for hiring during sign up on their profile. So founders can even get on Lure and pick workers manually and message who they want. The workers featured page will be only show the employees that have qualified for the 5-star rating by having enough baby token. They are the people that will be mostly likely to get picked and hired for the best and high paying jobs in space. The more baby token employee hold, the higher the star rating they get. Second part of Lure, founders and employee. Auto pay team, they will be optional for projects, but it's great for founders to do if you are legit and want to build and that trust with our team and community. For founders, pay our funds to DApp, it's hold automatically released to your team wallet on pay days. For employees, this make founders pay the DApp before work starts, so you know you are getting your money, but employees can't access money until the end of the week or set pay day. Worker can request project to sign up with Lure in order to work for them. This allows workers to never be scammed again by unreliable founders. For example, as a worker, I could say, well, I will only take jobs if your project sign up for Lure. Lure will ensure my position and my work for your business will be compensated. Fudbabies NFT. So this is how much Fudbabies, strategically generated Fudbabies, 12 rare, 1 of 1 must own to access our dApps. The 12 people that mint the rare NFTs will be added to the Fudbabies club in our Discord. This club will have the privilege to get early news, updates, special promotions, rare merchandise, and many other cool rewards. And finally, the road map from the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and the other stages. So this is it. You can check the Discord of the project and all things about this project. Don't forget to put like and comment and see you next in the next video.